video, I'm baking homemade blueberry muffins. Stay tuned. Hi friends, it's Karen. Welcome to the channel. Today I'm baking homemade blueberry muffins. It's a really easy recipe. If this is your first time to the channel, welcome. This is a lifestyle channel and I enjoy cooking, cleaning, home decor, shopping hauls, occasionally a DIY. So if you enjoy that type of content, lifestyle content, hit that subscribe button and don't forget to tap the notification bell so you'll be one of the first to know when I upload a new video. If you're a returning friend, welcome back. Thank you so much for supporting me and this channel. Guys, let's go ahead and jump into this homemade blueberry muffin recipe. I am using some fresh blueberries in this recipe today. You can use frozen blueberries, but blueberries are in season. So I'm using this container of fresh blueberries. Let's go ahead and just go over our ingredients. We're going to start with the dry ingredients, and I've got them already measured out, starting with our flour. I've got 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour in this bowl. And to it, we're going to add 3/4 cup of granulated sugar, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Now on to the wet ingredients. I've got 1/3 cup of vegetable oil already measured out in my measuring cup, 1 large egg, and I've got about 1/2 cup of milk here, and this is 2% milk because that's what we drink, but you can use whole milk. And then I'm going to have measure out 1.5 teaspoons of vanilla extract. All right, guys, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to wash and clean my blueberries, and then we're going to go ahead and get started combining all of the ingredients.